Hello, welcome to Judystravels. Today I'm gonna share you how to cook this fresh pumpkin cream soup with fresh French Polynesian baguettes and bacon.
All what we need for pumpkin cream soup are pumpkins, onion, garlic, 1/4 milk, some salt, nutmeg, parsley, bacon, chicken broth or vegetable broth. I prefer to use this knife, it's work better and slice better. And after I put out all the skin, I cut the pumpkin into cubes. You can cut whatever you like, large size or small size. I like this medium size. So now I am done with this and I started it to cook. I put this in the pot, put water, some milk, add all the ingredients, put some salt, cover and cook it. After 15 minutes I put fresh parsley, I put also chicken broth or vegetables broth. That is optional, you can put what you like, and bring in to cook. When the soup is already done, you can put it aside, leave it and bring it cool down. We use this electric mixer. We love this, it's work well. And after we finish mixing, I add some nutmeg, black pepper or white pepper, whatever you like. I add to cooking cream. I use light cream. You can put also heavy cream, whatever you like. It's depend on you. And I warm it again, and that's it. This is the fresh French Polonaise and baguette, and this is excellent to eat together with the pumpkin cream soup. Today we're gonna make our drinking water, and our drinking water came from salt water, and this is our water maker. Have 4 filters, and the water maker make 50 liter per hours, and we have also solar panel and also wind generator to make and produce our electricity.